I really like to be, you know, sometimes with both feet on the ground and really see what I'm doing. Is it relevant to somebody, or I'm just posting because my ego wants to post? So what is good to see is, for example, the basic measure of people viewing your profile and people following your profile. So you add them together and you see if the views go up and the follows go up. Because if the follows are staying or decreasing, it means that your profile and your content is not relevant. People just come to your profile, they see, yeah, boring, you know, but it means that you are doing a worthless thing. You are not doing the right thing for people to engage. You're not bringing the value. So that's why you can name them like simple measures, but actually they're very, very important ones. They reflect the audience voice, you know. If they follow you, it means that they see some value in your content, in your presence on the LinkedIn. So this is one simple but very important thing to take in mind.